and thank you for coming back to my channel. Our video for today is a ukulele tutorial slash play along of the worship song Safe. By the way, shout out kay Nezaya, I don't know how to say it right, Nezaya Jamil Inaudito. Shout out sa'yo, Sibs, and thank you for requesting this song. For this song, we're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4 chords. 5 chords. First chord is the G chord. For the beginners, ito na naman tayo. Ayan. Index finger sa 3rd string ng 2nd fret. Middle finger sa 1st string. 2nd fret pa rin yan. And then your ring finger sa 2nd string, 3rd fret. That is the G. Next is E minor 7. Huwag mo alisin yung kamay mo sa G. Ang E minor 7, aalisin mo lang yung ring finger. Yan, E minor 7. Next is the C chord, which is very easy. Ring finger sa 3rd fret, 1st string. Next, D chord. Tatlong string lang siya. 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string on the 2nd fret. Index, middle, and the ring finger. That is the D chord. Next, pwede nyong gamitin ang A minor or A minor 7. A minor is ganito. Ang A minor 7 is open string. So, kung anong gusto mong gamitin, pwede yung along yan. So, dalawang chord progression lang yung ating tatandaan. Yung first chord progression, if flash ko sa screen, that is for the entire verses and the choruses. Chorus pala. Sorry. Then, yung second chord progression na ilalagay ko sa screen is yun naman para sa bridge. So, una muna dun, chord progression muna ng verse 1, verse 2, and the chorus is the G, E minor 7, C, tapos D, and then C ulit. Okay? Ang ating strumming pattern, by the way, is down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. A little bit slower para sa mga beginners. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. Sa chord progression na tayo, sa first set ng chord progression para sa verse 1, verse 2, and the chorus, G, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. 2 counts, 2 rounds pala. Bago ka lipat sa E minor 7, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down. And then C, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, and then D, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, tapos C na ulit, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down. Sa play along, masusundan mo naman kung ilang beses siyang sa bawat chord, kung ilang set ng ating strumming pattern. So, ayun. Doon naman sa ating bridge, C, bawat chord twice ng ating strumming pattern. For example, C, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. Bago ka lilipat sa G, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Bago ka mag-A minor or A minor 7, whatever you wish na gamitin. And then sa G. So, para masubukan mo na yung play along, here it is. I hope na nakatulong itong video na to. Don't forget to subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe.
under your grace. Your mercy amazes me. Under your wings, your shadow covers me. Your promise of love, where my heart is safely undone. Speak to me, Lord, your servant is listening. Over the noise, I hear you whispering. My hope has come, and my heart is safely undone. I found my fortress in you, and my soul is anchored with you. My resting place is in your name, forever safe. Speak to me, Lord, your servant is listening. Over the noise, I hear you whispering. My hope has come, and my heart is safely undone. I found my fortress in you, and my soul is anchored with you. My resting place is in your name. I found my fortress in you, and my soul is anchored with you. My resting place is in your name, forever safe. You are never far away, always reaching out to save my weakness, covered by your strength, and I am found forever safe. You are never far away, always reaching out to say my weakness, covered by your strength, and I am found forever safe. I found my fortress in you, and my soul is anchored with you. My resting place is in your name. I found my fortress in you, and my soul is anchored with you. My resting place is in your name. I found my fortress with you, and my soul is anchored with you. My resting place is in your name, forever safe, forever safe. forever saying.
And that's it for today's video. I hope na may natutunan ka para sa ating ukulele tutorial / sing-along for today. And if you wish for more videos like this, please do subscribe. And always remember that worship where God isn't moved by the quality of your voice, but the condition of the heart. Love and light to you!